Hello and thank you for clicking on this video. Today you're going to learn how to use purchased WordPress theme, where you can find them, how to download them and install them inside your WordPress website. We'll learn how to install WordPress demo content for purchased themes such as this one. So by the end of this class you'll have such an amazing website. Or I'll show you how to use and find out the different themes for your website, such as this one. As you can see, this one is for food, so if you depend on what kind of website that you're going to make, this one is for furniture, and many more demo content that you're going to cover how to use inside our WordPress website. So I hope you won't miss, and you're ready to watch and learn. So let's get started. Hello and welcome back to another video tutorial on learning how to create websites using WordPress. You're still with me, Muhindo Mbark, as your tutor, and today we are going to resume from where we stopped at in the previous video. As you can see, my website is here and it is pretty empty. There is nothing there so far. Today we're going to learn how you can install or how you can find out a right purchased theme for your website and how you can install it as well in your website. So as you can see, there is no any theme, purchased theme or custom theme. There is only just a default theme of WordPress installed in my website. Now let's begin and see how we can find out the right purchased theme and how to install them inside our WordPress website. So just like I told you, if you want a theme, you can find it here in appearance and then add new theme. So there you'll find themes that are relevant to your website, just like the way we discussed before. And these themes, most of them, they are for free. These ones that we have inside the website market, the WordPress market, they are for free. Now I would like to show you how we can get purchased themes. Now these themes for free, they are always limited. They cannot do anything that you like to do in your shop. They'll have a certain level of limitation, and they are not always supported. Why? Because they are for free, and who will give a follow-up for free things all the way all along? There are very few themes which will satisfy you if they are for free. Now because of that, programmers, they came up with an idea like we should be programming or we should be making themes that are for sale, and people purchase these themes and then be giving them support for the remaining of time. And because of that, then there came up a lot of too much competition to create for you WordPress themes that will do almost that everything that you like to do in your respective shop, in your respective store, and there is too much competition for that. Now if you want a purchased theme, you may get here some parts, but purchased theme, you have to search maybe on a search engine like Google, and then you'll find out a good theme for you, or a place where we sell themes. There are different places where you can buy a theme, a WordPress theme. For example, if I search here purchase WordPress theme, you'll see different areas where you can purchase WordPress theme. One of them is the themeforest.net. This is the most popular. It is a very, very big market for WordPress theme. Another one, we have this one, Sky Misty. They have extra theme, have plugin. You have Creative Market, you have Inverto. There are so many, Themify, but the most popular one is this one, the Theme Forest, is where we will find a lot of purchased themes. So if you visit the Theme Forest, you'll be able to if you visit the Theme Forest, we'll be able to to access themes that are for sale. So as you can see here, there are themes that are for sale. Okay, that is Theme Forest. There's another one, this one, Sky Mix Themes. That's another market where you'll find other themes for sale of WordPress. There's another one, Extra Themes. There's another one, Creative Market. There are so many markets where you can find WordPress themes for sale. Can you see? This is another market. You can browse your right theme. And as well here, there's another market where you can browse and find out your right WordPress theme. For us, we shall focus on what? On Theme Forest, because it's the most popular and we want to save time. Now, if you come to Theme Forest, you'll find WordPress theme categorized in different ways. We can filter them. You see, Theme Forest, then WordPress. Here they sell a lot of digital content. So if I come to Theme Forest and then WordPress, you'll see here options: popular theme, WordPress themes, blog magazine, WordPress, corporate themes, and many other categories of themes. So here you can browse all the themes, corporate themes, just like the way you saw the app. If you want blog themes, you have WooCommerce themes. All of them, they're here, categories, different categories. Then we have the best sellers. They put them here for you. Best sellers. For example, this Avada theme is the best seller. We have this one. It's called what? The multi-purpose website theme. The most customizable theme. That's also among the top selling. We have Flat Sum among the top selling. So here we'll see different themes. So if I click here, for example, on most popular themes, they'll bring for me the most popular themes of WordPress. If I come again and click on corporate themes, I'll see other corporate themes for WordPress. Okay, themes for corporate websites. And then if I come again and click on maybe education themes, I'll see themes that are related to what? To education. You can see here. But as we are filtering, we'll see here another panel that will enable us to filter more. For example, if I click here on remove refine, or I expand it here, the filter panel will come here. Now if I click here newest, I'll see almost the new themes that have just befallen at this moment. If I see best selling, best rated, all of them, they will be here. So depending to what your shop is, you can be able to do what, to find out the best theme for yourself. Now if I click here on WordPress theme, and then I click on I don't know what I should show you. WordPress themes, the most popular, and then I click on refine. I cannot see the refine. I'll be able to see the right theme for me. Now, since there are 1,000 themes for you, like these are newspaper themes, many different categories themes, so it will be it will need you to find a right theme, not just to find any kind of theme. And to find the right theme for you, there are different techniques that you can use. Among the techniques is searching on Google and search a certain category WordPress theme that you want. Then they will suggest for you, and then you'll come to the marketplace like this Inverter or Theme Forest to find the right theme for you. For example, if I want a fashion theme, I can come here and search in Google best fashion. Best fashion theme. I can say best fashion WooCommerce theme, or I can search best fashion WordPress theme. So you can see here the first result. Among the first result, we have the Theme Forest result. So if I click here, I'll see themes that are for WooCommerce, that are for best selling, that have sold the best. Can you see? And these are under the category of what? Of fashion. We have this flat sum, we have proto, we have many more. You can check for the newest, you can check for the best, you can check for the most trending, you can check sort according to the price. Maybe if I'm dealing with foods, so I can say best food WordPress theme. Then I'll see also the themes that are related to food, okay, and the ones which are on top rating, okay. So by doing that, you'll be able to sort and find out organic food, fashion food, furniture. If you want furniture, you click on furniture, then you see furniture food, furniture themes. If you remove this one, then you'll see the themes which are tagged only on furniture. So by doing that, you'll be able to find out the right theme for you, So you can search on Google and then come through Google to here. And then when you land here, still there is more that you have to look at, because you cannot just come across anything and start using it. For example, if I want a news theme, I can search here best news theme. Can you see? So if I click on best news themes, I can say best. Let me search best news theme for WordPress. So if I click here on Inverto, I'm just showing you how you can find out. So did I write the right way? Best news, best newspaper WordPress theme. For example, if I do that, I can find here a list made by WordPress for newspaper themes. This is not the one I'm looking for. Let me come through this. Best news magazine. Let me come through this. 2020 best newspaper theme. Can you see? So here I'll be able to browse through the newspaper themes, okay, that are related to newspaper. All these are themes that are related to newspaper. So when you'll see here this kind of struck, it means that what? That theme is on trending. Now if I come and click here on this newspaper theme, let me open it in a new tab. I want to open it in a new tab. Open new tab, and then open new tab. So these are two different themes, but from different companies, but all of them they're selling same products. So this is newspaper X. It is this amount of money, and it's having 400 sales, and this one's having 1,121, and this one's having 88. So by depending on the number of sales, you can decide which one is best for you. You can decide according to the number of price, the amount of price that is being sold. You can decide according to the rating. This theme has been rated by 6,400 people, and they are saying it is the best. It is being given five stars. This one has been given rated by 75 people and given also 5 stars. This one is rated by 700 people. So depending on this rating, you can choose the right theme for you. So you may also not want to choose a common theme. Can you see? So they'll showcase here. You see, when you click on the theme here, they'll showcase that theme and tell you all what is found in that theme, that you should be convinced that it is the right theme for you. Okay, they'll showcase it here. And then here, this is another theme. Then they're also showcasing it here. So depending on a specific theme, you can define which theme is right for you. Okay, here they're showcasing at this point. Now when they're showcasing a theme, let me close this one. Most selling themes that are for sale, they always give you what we call demo content. Demo content, these are exemplary websites that they show you when of how your website will look like in case you install their theme. So those are called demo content. So if you want to find demo content, most of the time you find it here on live preview. So if you click on live preview, they'll open that live preview in a new tab and showcase and show you how your website will look like. For example, if I come here on demo content, I'll be able to see the demo content websites. So you see, they have all these demos. Can you see? All these demos are found inside the UNEWS theme. So every theme has own demos. So all these, they are exemplary website of how your website look like. So if I click on this one, view demo, I will be able to see first example. So they tell me that my website will look like this in case I install or I purchase their theme, the X newspaper theme. That's how it look like. This is one of the way how it look like. Okay, it is very good for what? For newspaper theme, for newspaper website. Okay, so I may decide to purchase this one if I want to. So if I close this one, there is another demo here. Can you see? This is another demo. There is another demo here. There are so many demos, so you may look at demos that are relating to your idea and see which one will work for you. This is how your website will look like in a dark mode. Okay, so there is another theme that we are looking at here. This one, Pixwell. So if I click on live preview, they'll also show me their demo. Let's see. View demo features and demo content. So here are the different demos. So if I click on this one and let me open like 2 of them. So you see how our website will look like if we install the Pixwell theme. That's how our website will look like. See, it is okay also. That is the Pixwell theme. Okay, so you can first try different themes and different demos and find the one which will match with your idea exactly. See the rating and see the recommendations, see the feedback from customers, see the number of sales and specific features for your website. So consider all those before you install a theme, because 90% of the appearance of your website will depend on a theme. So by doing that, you see, this is another theme, fashion theme for fashion blogs. Okay, you see, so you have to consider all those features before you do what? Before you decide theme that you want to do what? That you want to purchase and use in your website. Now for me, I'm going to search for best WooCommerce theme. Best WooCommerce theme. So if I click here, best WooCommerce theme. Oh, I don't want to get from WooCommerce, from Theme Forest. So I'll look for Theme Forest. 2020's best selling themes for WooCommerce. They're here. Can you see? These are the best themes for WooCommerce. Okay, so you can try all of them, just like the one I was showing you. Just click on preview and check how it look like, and check how it look like. Check how it look like. So if I come here to Proto, they're still loading. I'll be able to showcase and see how my website will look like in case I install their theme. There is this one. It's called WooMat. It's called WoodMat, not WooMat. It's called WoodMat. It's really nice theme. It's the one that we're going to use today for practicing. There's this theme. These are their demos. If I click on this, then they'll show me the demo of that part. It's a nice theme, but it's not as nice as how I expect. So today we're going to practice using this WooMat theme, There are more and more and more. You can come and play with them and find out the right one for you depending on what you want. So this is WooMat theme. I've also found it here. Can you see? It is the 3rd rating in 2020 best selling. So if I move my mouse over here, I'll be able to see the categories. I move my mouse over here, I'll be able to see some other categories. So toys and the rest. And then it's a nice theme. It has a lot of demos. I had checked it before this class. Okay, see, if you want to make a medical shop, you want to make a fashion shop, you want to make a retail shop, you want to make a electronic shop, this is for fashion, and all the demos. It has around 60 demos. All these are demos. So if you fail to get your own demo here, what are you looking for exactly? This is for minimalism. Let us try to look at their demos. This one is for food, cosmetics, food. This one is for sports. This one is for single page landing. I think let us first look at those. Organic medicine, cars. It's really portfolio theme. Infinite scrolling, theme in the video. Okay, these are their demos. They have 60 demos. Okay, so you can also sort them according to here. Shop, then they'll click on shop, then they'll show you one pages. You click here, then they'll show you one pages shop. So let us first check their demo. This is their demo for health theme. If you want to make a website for health, you can use WooMat and then install their demo. I'll show how also to install their demos. Can you see? That is for what? For clinics and hospitals. Click on shop and you'll be able to see the shop. That's for clinics. I'll just be showing the front page. This is for what? For minimalism, I think, which has as minimum information as possible. Can you see? Jewelry and the rest. It is a nice theme, I should say. This is for fashion. Okay, let us see how it looks like on the mobile phone. So I'll right click and say inspect, and then I click here on the mobile phone here the mobile phone. Then they'll show me. I can select how it look like on Samsung Galaxy, and this is how it look like on Samsung Galaxy, which is really okay. The home page and the rest. You have to check all this before you do what? You decide on which theme to purchase. So that was for fashion. And if you come WooMat retail, you'll be able to see the retail kind of shop with WooMat. Can you see? These are products for WooMat. I'll close this one. I come to electronics. These are for electronics, but all of them is just the same word, the same theme, WooMat. So there are other themes also for fashion. This one is for color, for fashion. Wow, it's a nice theme. Okay, these are categories. Click, and then this is how your shop look like. Single shop. You can even filter according to colors. I'll show you how to do all these things. So I close. There are so many demo content that they have. You see? Wow, this is also nice. As minimum data as possible. Okay, so I'll close all this and then come back to our main focus. We are convinced it is a nice theme. We are convinced all these are stored in one theme, I'm convinced, I hope you're convinced too, that this is a what? It's a nice theme for you. So but you shouldn't limit yourself. You can also come and try others, but these are just demos from what? From WooMat. So you're going to purchase this WooMat and use it. So that's what I told you. Like it is very hard to find a free theme with all these features. That's why there are themes that are sold, so that they can give you all the features that you may want to put in your website. Now, how do we purchase? So if you have money, you can just simply come here, you see, buy now, click on buy now, then have a credit card, add to cart, and then check out. You see, it is $59. Then put your card there and then continue to shipping. But at this moment, we don't have money to purchase the theme. I'm just using it for practice. So we'll use another alternative. This theme, they're always cracked. I don't know whether you've heard of crack. Like at this moment, many people use Windows operating system, but Windows operating system is for sale. Windows operating system is for sale, but most of people, they use Windows operating system while they do not even purchase it. I believe like 90% who are watching me, the Windows operating system they use on their computers at this moment, they did not buy them. But did you know that that Windows operating system is for sale? So unless your company is so huge, like is employing a lot of people and it is handing in too much revenue, then you may consider to purchase the Windows operating system. But since it's an individual company, then you may use Windows for free, or use Windows which is cracked, but it is not recommended to use cracked Windows. So since this is for practice, I'm going to use the theme that is cracked. I'm going to show you how to get the purchase theme, but which is cracked. But when you practice the real business, selling and buying, you're not recommended to use the cracked themes, because your company may be sued because of using something that would not purchase it is for sale. So they may sue your company. Another thing, it is insecure, because the one who cracked the theme, you don't know what he put inside that theme. Maybe he'll be hacking your emails and the rest. So as for practicing or education purpose, you're going to use just cracked themes. But when you do the real business, don't use cracked themes. Purchase the theme, just like the way I've shown you. So I'm going to show you how you get cracked themes. We call them nulled themes. Our theme that you're interested in, also after finding out the best theme for you, there's this Matty Fury and any other Electro and many other themes. So I will use I've decided to use WooMat. So if you want WooMat, just simply come to search engine like google.com. Okay, and then you search WooMat. It's not guaranteed that you'll get that cracked theme. No, it's not guaranteed. You just try. Okay, so we don't have money and we want to learn, so we want to try to find out this cracked theme. So after finding out the best theme for me, then I come and look for its cracked version for free. So I'll come and search WooMat, which is the theme that we're going to use, and then I write nulled, like this, nulled theme. So if you put nulled theme, then they'll bring you a place where you can get these themes for free. Among the most famous place where you can get these themes for free is downloadfreethemes.co. Please note that one down. There you get themes for free, which are for sale but for free. So I'll click here on downloadthemes.co. This one. There are many others, but others, they first pass you very far to get a theme that you want. But this one is guaranteed. Downloadfreethemes.co. So I click on downloadfreethemes.co, and then I'll be taken here. Now this is where they give cracked themes. You can even come to home here and see other themes. Can you see? they give a lot of cracked themes. See, all these themes are cracked, and you don't need to pay anything to use them. Can you see? You can even sort according to categories: news themes, e-commerce themes, entertainment theme, business theme, charity themes. All of them, they're here, non-profit, and they're cracked and they're for free. But I recommend you first find out the best one here, then you come and search while you know the specific themes that you want. So I'll come back to my main point. So before you install a theme, you first check if that one is the most latest version. So you see here, the version that you have got is 4.2, but you first scroll down and see if there's other version. You see there are more versions here. 4.6, that's the most latest. So 4.2 was uploaded in 2019, but here there's 4.6, and 4.6 is higher than 4.2. So I'll click on this 4.6 and see. Can you see? 4.6, it was just uploaded recently, last month, which is 2020 April, and it's the most latest. So it's the one that I'm going to download. So to download this theme, you just simply click on download direct. So it will start downloading, and your theme will come here. But I just like the way I told you, these themes are for sale, and I'm doing this because it's just for learning purposes. But when you do real business, don't use free themes. I mean nulled themes. You call them nulled themes. Don't use nulled themes. So it is downloading. This is Woodmat, and it's downloading. So as it is downloading, I'll come back to my website. This is my website, and there is nothing so far. There's no themes. So if I click on themes, I'll see there is only one theme. So I'm going to add new themes. So to add new themes, I'll simply click on here, add new, and then since this theme is getting from being got from external theme, and then it means that I'll have to click on upload theme. Upload theme. Okay. So before I click on upload theme, I'll first see my theme. Sure. So it is here. Let me first cut it and put it somewhere. So let me come here to my document, and then I create a special folder for it. Woodmat theme. You can create just a folder for WordPress themes, and then you'll be keeping there your themes. So I'll paste here my theme, which is the one that I've just downloaded. Is here. So you don't just install it the way it is. You first extract it and make sure that things are okay before you install it. So I'll right click and then extract it. It is here. Can you see? So I'll open and open. So you see there's a lot of things going on here. You cannot just install it the way it is. There's documentation. If you open this documentation, they'll explain to you how you can use it step by step. Can you see? They'll explain to you how you can use that theme step by step. This is the documentation for Woodmat theme. So I'll come back on top, and then license is here. Then there is plugins that this theme depends on. So this theme will depend on other plugins. So these plugins, they're here. Composer, and then reverse slider, and then we have the theme itself. I think it is here. So Woodmat theme, and then there's a child theme. So this Woodmat theme, I believe and I guess it is the one that we're looking for. So but before you upload it, still if you're not sure, you can extract it, and then to make sure that it's in the right place of WordPress theme, let's finish. Let it finish, and explain to you something here. Of course, you cannot upload the folder itself. You have to upload the zip file. But before you upload the zip file, you have to check if it is the exact theme that if there are exact theme file that inside that zip file. Otherwise, if you upload it the way it was here, the way it was exactly, it wouldn't work. Why? Because it's not in the structure of WordPress theme. There are a lot of useless things that are there, but to make sure that it is a WordPress theme, you first extract it, like the way I've extracted this one, then you enter there, and you enter there. Then it must have this structure. It must have this style.css. okay, style.css. Then once you find this kind of files, index, and then the most important one, style.css, then you know that is the what, the WordPress theme that you're looking for. So you have to zip it again, zip it, and then that zip is the one that will download, that will upload. Okay, you know how to zip a file. Just click on add the zip, and then that zip file, the one that will download this one without other noise. Okay, so for me, I already have this zip file. It is here, this one, Hoodmat. So I don't need to zip this one again. So I'll come to my WordPress website, and then I click on upload theme. So these themes that come from external, we upload them. We don't install from here. Why? Because we got them from external. So I'll upload theme by simply maybe drag and drop, and make sure that I'm pointing here to choose file, and then I click on, you see the name has changed to Womat, and then I click on install. Then to start doing what? To start uploading, as you can see down here in the progress bar. It is uploading 60%, 71%. Which is the uploading. So if you successfully upload your theme, that is the screen that you'll get. Then of course I'm going to activate it. Successfully installed, so I'll activate it. So after being activated, it will look like this. So let's begin the journey. Now if we visit our website looks like this. You can see some features of Womat, but it will be very long journey for us to make a complete Womat theme like the way it was. Okay, so we need a help. So that we can maybe get the theme or the one of the demo content to be installed in our WordPress, our website, and then we use this demo content to modify it and make our own exact website that we would like to have. So to do that, I will this theme, like we said, it depends on what, on plugins, and you'll see these suggestions here. Can you see that this theme require slider resolution, WP bakery, and etc. So I'll click on begin installing plugins. So if you click there, and then they'll bring you here. Or I can as well upload these ones, because when I download this nulled theme, it came with what, with plugins. I can as well upload these ones. Okay, so I'll select all of them, but before we install them, let me first look at each plugin here. We have slider resolution. This one, it helps us to make slides. We shall have another special class for slider resolution. We have WP bakery page builder. It helps us to build pages. Okay, we shall have another class for WP bakery. We have Woodmat core. This is the plugin for that support the theme itself. Contact 7, that one, the one that enables us to install the to use contact forms inside our website of WordPress. We have MailChimp, that is also for emails, and we have Safe SVG, this one is for photos. But the most important themes here, plugin that we shall look at here later, the slider plugin, resolution plugin, and then the WP bakery plugin, or we call it the WP page builder. Okay, so I'll select all of them and do what, and select the option of of install this plugin. So it will start installing, and I'll be patient and wait. So our point is, we want to make this theme, we want to make our website look like one of these. This is our website, right? I want it to look like this one at least. Okay, should look like one of these demo website that we have. Can you see? Can you see these websites? We want to look at least like this one. This one is for what? For electronics, or like this. This one is for fashion, or like this. This one's not. Okay, so we want to look at like this at least. Okay, so this one's for electronics. There is another one for furniture. You see demos, medical, and all the rest. Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah. So we resume. So we can see all our plugins have installed. Now let us go to our website again and check out. Still there's no change so far. Yeah. So we can see there's no change so far, but we can see some little change here. But those were just plugins. Okay, those were just plugins because we have not installed the demo content itself. So installing the plugins does not mean that you have installed the what? The demo content. Okay, so we want our website to look like these ones, like this at least, like this. There is that one of fashion, that one of fashion. There's that one for electronics. There's that one for medicine. There's that one for what? For food. Let me see. Let's try to look at them again. There's that one for food, for furniture. There's that one for furniture. There's this basic one. So you can find out the right one that match with your what? With your shop. And then it's the one that you do what? That you install. This one is for what? So I'm going to install the default one. This one. And then I will use it to learn everything. Okay. Now the question is, I want our website to look like this. I want our website to look exactly like this. Okay. Now the question is, how do you install it? This is our website. It is just still plain. So how do you install it? So after you install all the plugins that they recommended, and then we have to activate them. Are they activated? No. So you have to activate them. So I'll select all of them just like the way I installed them, and then I select activate and then apply. Then they'll start activating. Good. All of them have been activated. So if I come to my website, it looks a little bit different, but still not different. The question is, how do we install this? Okay, we are still in that progress. So after doing that, so this WP builder, it will help us to do what? To build our pages in a better way. So after installing, you come to WordMat. You see, we have got more option on a sidebar menu. I've got more option on sidebar menu. So I'll click on WordMat itself, and this one is a plugin that comes with WordMat theme. Okay, so after clicking on WordMat, which one? I think this one. Any of them. This one is for modifying, and this one is for setting up. So I'll come here to WordMat. I don't know where I import the demo content. You know, every theme with its own way. Okay, so I click on WordMat, and then I click on this one, second one, and then I click on base import. So this base import, it will start import the recommended, okay, the full website, and then you can activate it. So I'll click on base import and then to start importing. So what it is doing at this time, it is copying this content and settings of this website into our own website, which is going to save too much of our time. our task will be just to modify. But as you can see here, there are more options that have been added to our navigation bar, admin navigation panel. You can play with them, but we'll look at them one by one as time goes. So it is installing the demo content to our website. So I'll be patient as it is installing. Boom, it has finished. Then after finishing installing the base, it will ask you to do what? To select which demo version do you want. For example, we have seen different versions. This one, there's this one for what? Minimalism. Minimalism. This one. There's this one for, how do you call this one? For fashion. There's this one for electronics. Electronics. There's this one for, this one's also what? Electronics. So I'm going to install this one default. This default one, it does not have everything. So what I'm going to install, I'm going to install this electronics one. This electronics one, so that we should explore almost everything inside the what? Inside the theme. Okay, so how do you call it? This one is for what? I've liked this one. Woodmat, WordPress theme. This and the default one. So I'll come here after installing this part, and then I'll select the right one that I want to install. There's this basic one, furniture. I think I should install furniture or electronics. Let me install furniture. There's this furniture. Furniture does not have that slider, so I'll skip it. Electronics. I'll install the electronics one. Okay. So I'll click on what? Set a version. Then to set this one into my website, into the electronics website. Now let us go and see. So I'll come and click here. Great. This is our website. It is now looking like pretty much like the demo content. Okay, so to make such a great website within just clicks is really a great achievement. Can you see? This is the original website. So that's how you install demo content. But depending on a theme, some themes installing a demo content might not be exactly like these steps, but they'll be related. And that's the concept of demo content. They get you a website that's already existing, and then your task is just to modify it and make it look it in your own way to save your own time. So now another journey begins. We want to make this website to look in our own way. But before we make it look in our own way, I'll first make it look exactly in this way as we're learning how to modify a website. So I'm going to make it look like this before we do what? Before you change it in our own way. So through that journey is when we'll learn how to make the website look in our own way exactly. So we can see here they did not send us exact items. Can you see? They did not send us exact item pictures. Pictures for the items. They are not exactly as the one that inside the demo content itself. Okay, so our task is we are going to try to get the same pictures. Okay, and make our products have the same pictures. Then after that we'll come to the sliders, and after that we'll come to the modification of the whole shop. So through that we'll be able to make the shop look in our own way, as well as learning how to modify the demo content. For example, this first product, this one, I want it to look like this one in their demo content. Let me search it here. I don't know whether it is in this one. Let me search it. You see, this is wood single drawer. So I want our product wood single drawer to have the same picture. Can you see? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on word single drawer. So through these steps, we'll learn how to make our own website. But before we make our own, let us first make at least exactly like theirs. Okay, so from doing that, then we learn how to make our own. Okay, now ours doesn't have the picture, the exact picture, so I have to edit this product, right? So I'll click on edit product, and then I click on this picture, then I'll save this picture. But when you're making a real shop, I always tell you, don't use the same method of copying other people's picture. Take the exact products that you have in a shop and use your own pictures, not downloading other people's pictures. I think that's all. Yeah, so after getting these pictures, I will come, I'm modifying, remember this product, I'll come straight to the what? All these things, we shall look at them in the coming classes and explain all what they mean. So I'll come to the featured image, and then I'll come to this picture. I change it to this one. You see these pictures, all of them, they are blurred because of copyright. So I'll set this picture as a default picture, and then I'll come and add the gallery, and inside the gallery I'll upload this and upload this and upload this, the rest pictures. Okay, and then I'll also add them to the gallery. Remember, you know how to rename these pictures, so I'll add to gallery. Don't mind about all these others, we shall look at others later. Okay, right now I want just to make the appearance look like the other one, so I'll update, and then after updating, then visit my website again. So when you visit the website and you come here, so you can see our picture is here, the picture is here itself. Can you see? So if I click on it, then our product will look like this. Okay, okay, so each looks like this one exactly. I mean kindly like this, but we will learn how to make it look like this exactly with these other related products. So after doing that, they have the description and the rest here, shipping and delivery. All these we shall learn how to modify them. So after doing that, I'll come and do the same for the second product. Okay, what's the name of this second product? It is called smart whatever. I'll just click on it. Okay, I want to first fake it and then I'll make it perfect later. So it's called smart watches. So I'll come here on their demo content and search for smart watches, paste there the name, and then this is the smart watches wood. Okay, these are smart watches wood. Wanji Msamvu. Yeah, Anamkag. Okay. So these are this is the single product, and we are going to do what? To make this one also look like this, just by appearance. Then later we'll learn the remaining information. So to make this one look like this, I'll just copy. I mean, the name is already existing and then everything is the same. I'll just click here on edit product. Okay, so after clicking on edit product, I'll come here to change the featured product image, and then I click here and click and then I save this one, this featured image, and save this featured image, and save, I mean not featured image, just save the image of the product. But don't do this for the real shop. I'm just doing it. Oh, where are we now? Where did I click? I'll go back to the single product, and then I'll come here on uploading the featured product. So this is the featured image that I want. I'll drag and drop it here, and then I click on what, set product image. You can do the rest that you know. So I'll click on add to gallery, and to gallery I'll add this one and this and this, and then I say add gallery. So after I'll update all. Then after updating, I'll come to the single product here on this link, and I will see this link has been updated. Can you see? Which looks much more better than before. So we will do the same for the rest images, or for the rest products. Okay, to make our product first look like, to make our shop first look like this one. We'll first fake it and then we'll perfect it later. Okay, so at this moment I'll stop this one here, the faking part of it, because I've shown you the basic how you can fake it, and the remaining part I'm going to show you how to modify, how set the settings of this WordPress theme. So to set the settings or the dashboard of this theme, you simply come to the dashboard here, or you come to my to your dashboard, and then come to theme settings. Okay, and this one comes only with what, with this particular theme. So it will give you its dashboard. Here you can see another dashboard where you can set the remaining information. For example, fav icon, this is the icon for the what, the logo icon that will be here. For example, I can say I don't have any logo, so I can upload my own logo at this point. So I'll click on select. So here we use it to modify the theme and make it look like the one you want exactly. So I click on desktop, and then maybe this is my logo, and then select that logo. Okay, so you'll see here when I'll update, I'll say click save options. You see our logo is supposed to change. Then I'll come and upload also. I'll also upload the fav image. This was the icon, so I'll select the image. So it's already in my gallery, I can upload this one. Show the comment section. So here I can set whether I should show the comment section or not. Here I can set the page which should be shown in case someone enters a wrong link to my website. Here I can set the Google API. Then I save. Then I can come to the next tab. The next tab is here. So we'll have to set all these tabs. If I want to link my website with Instagram, I'll use this tab. Age verify pop-up. This one is for age pop-up. General layout, the whole layout. Page title, if you want the page title or not, you'll set all these ones here. The footer, the typography, that's the font, and the rest. So here you can use to modify your theme and customize it in your own way. Okay, so if you come again to our main home, you will find our website has been updated in that way. So for this video, we'll stop from here. In the next video, I'll show you how to create these slides, how to set these colors, and how to set this description, how to make these pages, and modifying these pages, because I've not shown you how to modify these pages using WP Bakery, and many more. So don't miss in the next video. Thank you for watching.